Hey gut feelers, today we're going to talk about L-Lysine and specifically L-Lysine as a supplement. Guys, this is a follow-up video from all the requests you put out there in the comments. You said, oh my god, I want to learn more about how to take the best L-Lysine supplements. How much should I take? What should I avoid? This is what we're going to talk about in this video, specifically the 3 most common mistakes that I'd love you to avoid and not feed those supplement billionaires with more money and just getting bad supplements in return and even in more impaired health because of the toxicity in the supplements. Now, if you haven't watched the video about L-Lysine, the #1 healing benefit, I'm going to link that up here and also down there in the description. Watch that after this video. Let's get started with the first supplement mistake when it comes to L-Lysine. Here it is, capsule form. This is how they usually look, smaller, bigger, but it's in white amino acid in there. And everybody, like every health practitioner, every doctor tells you to take L-Lysine on an empty stomach. I'm going to tell you exactly the opposite. I don't want you to take L-Lysine on an empty stomach if you want to increase the bioavailability and to get the best out of your supplement. Why am I swimming here against the stream? Not because I like it, but because it's better for you. Now, your body is highly intelligent. This is the main message that I share with you here on this channel. Your body likes food. It likes to absorb nutrients from food, not from supplements. It's made for eating the spinach, eating this kale, eating spirulina, beans, and then extracting nutrients. In order for the body to absorb nutrients, it's not just about L-Lysine. Your body needs other phytofactors, other minerals, other chemicals to help the absorption of this amino acid because it doesn't exist in nature like this in a capsule form. It's the best to incorporate L-Lysine supplements together with L-Lysine rich foods. Now, there are spirulina, for example, that you can take, which is blue algae. I'm linking you a video down below in the description. Other lysine foods are lentils or beans, or even just other vegetables help to increase the absorption of L-Lysine if you take them in the supplement form. So mistake #1 to avoid, don't take them on an empty stomach. Now, before we talk about how much L-Lysine should you really take, let's talk about supplement mistake #2, and that is buying low quality supplements. I could just make a whole video list just about this. I actually have a playlist about the best supplements and a product that I created. It's called My Gut Supplement Kit, where I talk about what shouldn't be in your L-Lysine or in other kinds of supplements in general. Now, for L-Lysine, one of the most toxic fillers that is in there that I've seen the most often, there's a little storm out here happening if you hear anything like that, is ascorbyl palmitate. Don't buy anything that contains toxic filler, toxic ingredients, anything you don't understand, which is in the other ingredients section. Don't buy it. Buy a clean L-Lysine supplement. There can be a vegetable capsule or rice flour or something in there, that's fine, but no ascorbyl palmitate or any kinds of other toxic fillers. Now, I've found for you a supplement already in a capsule form and in a powder form that are 100% clean and good to take for your body. Just click in the description below. Now, last but not least, the question that so many people of you are asking, so many gut feelers came with that question, and that's, how much should I take? Should I take 1 capsule, 3 capsules? How many grams? How many milligrams? Now, it depends on what you're taking it for. You just want to increase your performance, then the usual dosage of 1 to 3 capsules from the supplement that I recommended down below, completely fine. However, if you're struggling with chronic illness, you need a much higher dosage. Now, I'm not saying this lightly, but L-Lysine is really hard to overdose. Of course, you can overdose anything, but from my experience with my clients and what I've found in studies and literature is that up to 7 capsules per day, that's 3 to 4 grams per day. If you take the powder forms, it's about 1 teaspoon. That's totally fine. I recommend that, again, not to take on an empty stomach. Look that it's a clean supplement. You don't want to waste money on buying supplements that don't really help your body and put more pressure on your liver and your inner detoxing processes. You don't want to do that. So how much? Up to 7 capsules per day or 3 to 4 grams. That's about 1 teaspoon per day. Now, guys, before we end this video, I'd love to know from you, what is your takeaway from watching this short video? Let me know in the comments below. My takeaway is ... Share it with all those other thousands of gut feelers here and also with me. I'd love to know.